ke letsatsi la go keteka bogaka ba batšha ba 1976 jaaka ba ne ba tshwaragane kgatlhanong le sera sa mmuso wa tlhaolele. Batšha ba gompieno ba lebagane ke dikgwetlho tse farologaneng: Botlhokatiro, tekatekano ya bong le bosenyi jo bo kwa godimo gareng ga tse dingwe.
I mean, definitely climate justice, climate change. The earth is melting beneath our feet, and we as the future are really concerned as to like what's going to happen. Yeah, so we definitely want to push for climate justice.
After they finish with school, youth don't know what they're going to do, and they don't have jobs after it.
I think we should be advocating for gender equality, because femicide is a real issue in this country, and a lot of women don't feel safe anymore.
Mekgatlho e le 16 e nnile karolo ya moletlo wa gompieno.
We need to start looking at how young people are kept out of or disengaged from decision making around public policy outcomes, right from the very top at national government all the way down to local government. Young people make up the vast majority of this country. Most of them are the black working class poor, and we need to be the ones who are holding the reins of power, directing where things should be going, how things should be organized. And so in order to be able to transform this situation in the benefit of young people and our society at large, we need we need a structural shift in how our economy is organized.
Our youth are not safe. It can't be the case that we can sit around and see our girls found in institutions of higher learning in suitcases. So we decided to come out today to say, look, personal safety is of great importance, particularly to the youth.
Mokgatlho wa Ahmed Kathrada Foundation o gateletse maitlhomo a go keteka letsatsi leno la batšha.
Young people are faced with a number of issues, and these stem across joblessness, the rise of gender-based violence, climate issues, and so forth. And today, through a memorandum that was constructed collectively with some of these organizations, we'll be able to express those concerns and what young people believe needs to be done in order to address it.
Batšha ba nnileng karolo ya diketeko tsa gompieno ba ikuetse go puso go ba reetsa fa ba bua. SABC News, Pretoria.